Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got Elvis's Jeep here. Big Elvis's JKU. We're about to start in on the wiring rescue. So he's got an issue with battery dying and battery draining and headlights. So we're going to add an auxiliary battery under the back bumper. We're going to upgrade all the wiring. We're going to do the big 3 under the hood and then clean up some of the stuff that's going on here. This Jeep's really pretty. He's got a lot of money in it. I don't understand it. You spend money on really good amplifiers and speakers, and then cheap speaker wire and cheap power cable. You can't say you didn't know it was aluminum. It says aluminum right on the wire. So you spent $1,000 there, then you saved $100 here to make sure that you didn't get $1,000 worth of power. And then to make it worse, you use excellent Tech Flex covering that costs more than the wire that you're covering. Okay, so we have the same situation that we always have again. Really good equipment on a beautiful build. JL Audio 1000/1, one of the most powerful amps of its time, but it's power hungry and draws a lot of current. Then we have the Sound Digital Evo 1200.4, one of the most powerful 4-channel amps. They're using cheap speaker wire. And the only thing worse than copper-clad aluminum wire is loose copper-clad aluminum wire. So that explains why the audio is shutting on and off. It says it right on the wire that it's not oxygen-free copper. It's literally the worst wire you can buy. Then they ground it to the body. It's been rhino-lined without cleaning the paint off, so now it's not getting a good ground. What's the sense of buying really good equipment and then wiring it this way? More fixing. I found a good spot to put this copper-clad aluminum wire that we took out of Elvis's Jeep. It fits perfect. There's our 2 runs of 0 gauge Stigner oxygen-free copper.